Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Planet. Today's video is specially for RRB JE CBT-1 aspirants, especially beginners who are confused about what to study, from where questions will come, how to score marks. Many students don't know the exact syllabus and pattern. So today I will explain RRB JE CBT-1 exam pattern and section-wise content very clearly. Exam pattern. First, let us understand the exam pattern. RRB JE CBT-1 has four sections: Mathematics, General Intelligence and Reasoning, General Science, General Awareness. In Mathematics, total 30 questions and 30 marks. General Intelligence and Reasoning, 25 questions, 25 marks. General Science, 25 questions, 25 marks. And General Awareness, 20 questions, 20 marks. Total 100 questions and 100 marks. Total time for exam 90 minutes. Question type objective, MCQs, negative marking 1 by 3 mark for each wrong answer. Very important point. CBT1 is only a screening and qualifying test. Marks of CBT1 are not added for the final merit. After qualifying CBT1 exam, you have to write CBT2, which is the real and main exam of RRB JE. Now we will see section wise what to study and what questions come. Mathematics total 30 questions, important topics to prepare, percentages, direct formula questions, and ratio and proportions, simple calculations, averages, short problems, time and work, word problems, time and distance, speed based questions, simple interest, formula based questions. Up to level class 8 to 10, and if prepared well, maths is scoring subject. Reasoning 25 questions, important topics, analogies, coding and decoding, letter or numeric logic questions, and number series, direction sense, distance and direction based questions, blood relations, family tree logics, odd one out of pattern identification, and easy level. It is a easy to moderate, possible score 18 to 22 marks if practiced daily. General science, 25 questions. In general science, physics, chemistry, biology. In physics, the important topics were motion, electricity, heat, light. Questions are formula based or one line. I already uploaded a physics topics video. Please watch that. Chemistry, important topics, acids and bases, metals and non-metals. Questions are theory based, very direct. Biology, important topics, human systems, nutrition, diseases. Mostly direct fact questions are asked from biology. All these are from class level 9 to 10. Possible score 20 to 25 marks. General science is the most scoring section. And general awareness, 20 questions. Important areas, polity, from politics, president, PM, parliament. We have to see all the past details of president, PM, current and past, and geography, states and capitals, history, freedom fighters, movements, and static GK, national symbols, important days, current affairs, last 6 to 8 months current affairs we have to read. This is a general awareness. Syllabus is very vast, so attempt only sure questions. Possible score 10 to 15 marks. The safe strategy is math is a safe score strategy. If you are a student like me and you are starting your preparation 10 to 15 days before the exam, don't panic. Just focus mainly on mathematics, reasoning, and general science. These three sections are scoring and can help you gain more marks in less time. For general awareness, don't try to study everything. Only focus on important topics like rivers, freedom movements such as the Quit India movement, and previous year GK questions. If you follow this strategy, you can score good marks and clear the RRB JE CBT1 cutoff. This is a safe and practical tip for last minute preparation. If you genuinely like this video and find it useful, please like and share it. Your likes and views motivate me to continue my preparation and share more helpful content with you. I will upload more videos based on your support. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Study Planet.